What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and this video is going to be dedicated solely to the Master Blaster 8 horsepower air blower and mounting it on my wall. I don't think a ton of you know that I do have this blower. I think I've put it in videos before and I've gotten questions about it, and I've been wanting to do a dedicated video to it, but I just never really had the time. So I did actually go and buy leaf blowers, and I've been doing other things. I guess I kind of neglected this, and I guess one of the reasons why I've neglected this is basically the ease of use. For me, setting this up and having the cord, and the newer version has swivel wheels on one of the parts. This just has 4 stationary wheels. It's not a great design, but I don't know. It's a great blower. Just a quick background on it. It's got 8 horsepower. It blows warm, filtered air. And yes, it is filtered. There's air here. So there's a filter here. But yeah, you can go 4 horsepower, 8 horsepower, or I guess decide any which way you want to do it that way. So obviously the elephant in the room is the giant massive hose. That is 30 feet of hose for this unit. I went on Amazon, and you know, these go for like $200-300 bucks. I don't want to buy a new one just to change the wheels. So I was like, you know what? I always wanted to get a wall mount solution, and that's exactly what I did. I bought this kit on Amazon. Came with 30 feet of hose, a way to wrap it all up, and also a wall mount kit. Now when I was looking at it, I was like, wait a minute, how's this gonna work, right? I was like, well, there's no way for it to mount. So it's really not gonna mount. How are you supposed to do this? But they thought of everything. Apparently this kit basically comes with no focus. So apparently this kit comes with a bar that now converts this. We're gonna go over all that in the video. I'm gonna swap out the filter on this because I haven't done it in a long time, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna move all of this off. I don't really use these bottles, so I'm gonna try to keep the pegboard because I do like the look of that, and having the availability of putting something in the pegboard down the line is nice. How I'm gonna do this, I don't know. I know it comes with screws. Comes with screws and mollies, but that's concrete. So I might try, I'm gonna take all this off, but I might try, see how strong this is. It seems very sturdy. It's pretty thick. I might try to reinforce it with some more screws along the edges, and we'll see about putting some kind of bolt through so that I could mount all of that up on there. My vision is that it's going to be mounted right there, more toward the top. The power cord's going to go around the back and droop down. And what I can do is just, whenever I want to use it, just take the extension cord, hook it up to this, and then run it to the socket that's outside my house, which is, I believe, a 20 amp. And it's dedicated, just one socket. There's no other socket on it that's in use, so it's a straightforward one socket for 20 amps. So I'll have plenty of power. I won't have to worry about fuses going and anything, so it's good. And then if I leave enough room, I should be able to have the hose situated here, hopefully in a decent fashion. I just want it to be a clean look. I don't want it to be messy, and I want it to be accessible. So 30 feet from this point means I can go out here or go out there and pretty much dry the whole car off without having to pull it in to dry. And as many of you know, the best part about air drying your car is less contact with the paint, with a towel, less love marks, as they're called. So it's gonna preserve my paint better. It's gonna save me time. It's just gonna be something fun to do, I guess. And the next time you see me, what we're gonna do is be removing all of this stuff, and we're gonna try to find a good and proper way to mount this and show you how it functions. I'm not going to really demonstrate too much about how the use is, but I'm just going to show you how it functions. I'm not going to be washing my car outside because weather's been sucking lately and it's getting cold. It's almost winter time, so car wash season is almost dead. No.
Well, don't fucking bend it now.
No shit. It's not really that big of a difference that we're doing here, is it? I know you gotta get it started first, right?
Sweet.
There's shavings. Hold on.
That's the point.
Well, I should be wearing safety glasses or something.
Are you fucking serious?
Hey, listen.
Gloves?
Safety first!
There you go. Nice.
Come on. Move your fucking hand out of the way.
Perfect.
That's fucking dead on, dude.
Alright, go for all of them.
It's a sweet send.
Oh yeah. There you go.
I'm gonna be in a fucking unit before you know it, dude.
Can you hit that, or is this in the?
I can hit it.
No, you're gonna f that up.
I'm not gonna shit
Hit
up.
it from the back.
I'm
Why don't you just make it easier? And
Get away.
Hit it from the back. Shut up.
They gotta be very detailed here to show how we're putting this on. Screws in. Come on, other side. Same situation. Screws in. Alright, now where's the other one gonna be? The other. This is completely overkill, but the fact that this is like literally right next to my car, I ain't taking any chances. We gotta show how cool it looks, because we're just so awesome here. Total overkill, like overkill to 100%. Wait, don't go too far. Just gotta show it off and then I'm gonna turn it on. Now it's gonna be a little aggressive. Don't fucking come near me with that thing. Go away.
Hope it doesn't blow up.
We got extra screws. Support. This is just another thing I gotta worry about now. So, alright. Go. Don't point that at me. You ready? Is it coming out? Oh! Dude!
What?
Go stand all the way down there and
Look, do you want me to shoot that water off your car with it?
No, it's okay. I want to leave it there. I'm gonna name it. Go to the back of your car and see if it still works.
See if it still works.
This way you're far the away from me. So look at that. That is freaking awesome.
Turn on. Get a video of this.
It's dirt though. You're blowing off dirt. I think it's much better than the leaf blower.
It's way better.
So that's literally going to wrap up this little install, put together. I don't know what you really want to call it. Do I love this setup? Absolutely. I do want to change one thing though. I'm probably going to lift this up more because I could probably put it where the switches are right here so I can hit the two switches, just because I want to give myself more room down on the bottom portion so that I could put all of this. Now this is a problem. They do give you this with the kit, but I'm probably gonna have to think of a better solution or just not have this in here. I don't wash my car every day, so I don't really want to have a cluttered look right there. So what I might do is just keep this in the other room, and when it's time to wash the car, it literally doesn't take much to pull this out and you know, coil it or wrap it here. I'm probably gonna find a better solution to mount this down there, but I do love the setup so far. Everything came out nice. I've used it twice already on my own, obviously not filming, but it's such a convenient thing. It makes washing so much better and safer. I feel like now that it's an easily accessible situation, I will use it so much more than I have. I've had this thing for like a couple years and I've used it maybe 10 times. And that's really just a shame. It's a shame because it's just such a good unit. And I'm not going to stop using my leaf blower though. I do think that the leaf blower has its place, but I think this is just such a cool setup. But like I said, I'm going to move this up. Anyway, that's enough rambling. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Leave a like, drop a comment. All of that stuff helps. Turn on post notifications. I appreciate it all. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, just hit me up. Let me know. If you want to chat about this stuff, the best way to contact me, honestly, is to send me a message on Instagram. That's where I'm most active socially. So message me there at honestlyocd, and we'll talk about whatever you need to talk about. Have a good day, guys.